Hello everyone! Welcome to the PDNob channel. PDNob shortcuts are now online. This is software that allows you to customize your shortcuts and get everything done faster on your PC. Press the middle mouse button to call up PDNob shortcuts. There are plenty of shortcuts to help you complete your operations quickly. Multiple customizations features to meet your requirements. Click Add to add different shortcuts. Customize the launcher software. Quickly open the file and folder and URL. Automatic text input. Set simulate keystroke. Enter run commands. In settings, select the open panel option and set the mouse or hotkey opening method. Try more shortcuts and unlock more possibilities. If you are interested in PDNob shortcuts, you can get the software by clicking the link in the description below. Well, that's all for today. If you think it's still good, feel free to click like and subscribe. See you in the next video.